y'all, it's Raj with EV365. And today I've got the help of my nephew, Shivu.
Hi.
And today what we're gonna do is go over the manual tonneau cover that Rivian just sent out. As some of you may know, they initially sent these out and they were having some packaging issues and they were getting damaged in shipment. And that is something Rivian's had trouble with. I've ordered a few things from the gear shop and the packaging is there's a little left to be desired. I ordered some wheel caps for the wheels. They just kind of came taped together with some brown paper crumbled in the box. So hopefully this gets Rivian to start packaging their stuff a little better. So Shiva and I will pull it out of the box and let's see if they did better. So first off, right off the bat, you can see they packed it with some harder foam.
To like support it in transport?
Yeah, to protect it. So we'll pull that out. And yeah, so you can see that tonneau cover case would have fit right in there and be a lot snugger. I know their old packaging would not have had hard foam like this. Yeah, so you would go ahead and pull that out. You got it? All right. Yeah, not too bad. I mean, pretty heavy. So if there's one person, let's move that off to the side. So sort of heavy, like if one person was carrying this, yeah, you can manage, but it's not super light.
Yeah, but I feel like it's good that they added like the waist, like the straps to carry it.
Yeah, you want to give it a try, Shiva? See if you can carry it?
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Pretty light.
Not too bad? All right, so we'll lay it over here on the tailgate, and yeah, let's open it up. Let's see how it looks. And the case is nice. You've got the Rivian logo. Like Shivu said, you've got nice, strong straps to hold onto it on every side.
And then there's more aesthetics on like these. Like they add the little yellow things on the end.
Got the Rivian yellow. All right, let's open that up.
First impressions are they just kind of like lay it down like in panels.
Yeah, so you've got individual
and like
layers for the panels. So not bad. And one thing, as you know, Rivian was initially offering the electric tonneau cover, which was one of the features that I was pretty excited about, one of like the little extra features. But they had issues with their initial design where I believe the motor was just on one side and it was supposed to accordion into this back area, but it would get jammed up because the motor was on one side. So they discontinued that, and I happened to be in that little window where you could no longer get it. They are redesigning it, so in the future, you can get the electric tonneau. But unfortunately for me, we're gonna have the manual tonneau, but it looks pretty nice, but it will be sad to not have some of that like ease of use functionality of just being able to hit the button and close it or open it. But we'll work with this. And yeah, as Shivu said, pretty quality. It looks like you've got 2 panels per panel.
Yeah, like they're held together by this one on these on this side and like another on that side.
Right, and there's
like bolts and screws on the back of it.
Yeah, and it looks like they're gonna fit in together.
Yeah.
And there's a seal. So we'll start sliding them in, Shivu. I think this is the first one.
Yeah. First impressions are they look really good and heavy duty.
Oh yeah, and one thing to know, there's arrows so you know which direction to push them. And so you just put them in the slots that were for the original electric tonneau, and it should just slide right in. All right, and maybe we can probably just leave that there, Shivu, and then the next one will pop in. Yeah. So the packaging is nice. The case to hold it. You see the arrow right there? And we'll slide that in. Oh, and actually, I think Shivu, let's bring this up. I think you do need to come in with an angle a little bit.
Oh.
There. And you need to kind of clip them together. There you go. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they fit real good. Yeah, there you go. So we'll leave that out. Next one. Yeah, and all the panels are identical, so if these go in different order when you put them back in, I don't think there'll be an issue with that.
I feel like this is one of the better packaging jobs Rivian's done.
Yeah, real nice, right?
And then I think this is the end one, you have the little rubber on the back to protect the tailgate from getting scratched.
That's right, and it'll keep water sealed in as well. And these aren't 100% waterproof. And we'll do a separate video to test out how much water gets in. But so this is the only piece that needs to be in order, the last piece. And push it back and you hear some clicks.
Yeah.
And that's in. All right, Shivu, let's get rid of my mats here. Close that tailgate. And now we can come over here and take a look. Obviously, it looks fantastic.
Yeah.
It looks real clean.
Like it locked. You can't open it once the tailgate's closed.
And it does look pretty good, pretty sealed. I don't think a lot of water will get in, so it should protect. Yeah, this rubber here, what do you think? How's it look on your side, Shivu?
The rubber looks good. I feel like it's just making sure that tailgate doesn't scratch on this part here.
All right, now let's just try to take it apart and see how that is. All right, here we go. Ooh, let me unlock it. All right, Shiva, so let's see how easy this is. We're gonna pull the
We're gonna pull each panel off one by one to see how easy it is to disassemble it now.
Yeah, and the best thing I would suggest, lay this on your bed if you ever need to take it out.
And I feel like you go from
We'll start from the back, yeah. There is a little pull right in the middle to unlock it, so you pull it, and there we go.
Oh, and then it just slides out.
And we slide out, and I think we go at the 45 degree. Yep, it just pops right off. So put that in place. Got a little audience up there. Pull that out. Pops into place. Next one. And so there's 4 panels.
There's 4 panels, or like 4 pieces, but I think there's 8 actual panels. Because on each one they screw 2 panels together.
That's right. All right, so they go in the case. Let's see how easy it is to close this case up. Looks like Shivu's side was easy peasy. Got this one. And now, so the idea that Rivian says, you can either leave it in your tailgate, in your bed, which you probably don't want to do. So they say to put it in the gear tunnel. We'll back the truck out and do that. I don't think I've got an angle to get it in from here.
No.
So we'll cut and we'll come back in a second and show you how to do that. All right, so here we are. Now, one of the things, the best place to store the tonneau cover is obviously in the gear tunnel. The one drawback is that you do need to, for the most part, probably have an empty gear tunnel. You can obviously put some stuff in there after you've got the panels in there. So she would go for it. You're gonna empty out the tunnel.
Oh.
All right, let's take out the stuff out of the tunnel. Yeah, I like to store these guys in here. All right. So, got this last big piece we got to get out. Thanks, kids. All right, and so once that gear tunnel's empty, all right, Chivu, let's see if you can get that in there.
I feel like you have to do it.
Yeah, I think you would. Yeah, exactly. Go vertical like that. It's probably going to lay flat. Yeah. And
as you can see here, there is enough space to put stuff on top of it, but I think you need to have it empty, mostly empty in the beginning when you're putting it in, but then you can add stuff once it's already put in.
Yeah, you can put stuff on top, and the only drawback is that you'll have to take stuff out to get the panels out. But I, for the most part, am planning to keep the panels on most of the time, so hopefully that shouldn't be too much of an issue. But if you want to take them on and off quite a bit, that's just something to consider. So overall, what do you think of
my overall review on the tonneau cover is that the first initial, like the automatic one wasn't dope. I feel like this, like I heard the packaging hasn't been that great, but I feel like overall they did a good in the shipment wise. Like they made sure everything was secure and stable. I feel like the box that it came in was like really good, heavy duty. I feel like the panels are good for like, it might not be fully water resistant, but I feel like it'll be good to like store your stuff safely.
Yeah, and we'll get some more reviews together. I'll spray some water on it and stuff like that so we can see how good it does. But that's the Rivian manual tonneau cover. I'm excited to have it and put it on, maybe increase the mileage a little bit. We'll do some videos on that as well. So Shivu, thanks for the help on this one. Hang loose, y'all.
See ya.